Hello and welcome to History Pod. On the 16th of September 1978, filming began on Monty Python's Life of Brian. Life of Brian was the third motion picture to be released by the Monty Python comedy troupe and is said to have had its origins in the publicity circuit accompanying their previous film, Monty Python and the Holy Grail. The box office success of Holy Grail had proved that there was significant demand for feature-length creations from the group, and soon the idea of lampooning organised religion became a focus for development. Two members of Monty Python, Idle and Terry Gilliam, dismissed the idea of a direct satire of Jesus Christ as they agreed that, despite both being non-believers, there was nothing to mock in his teachings. Therefore, they settled on the idea of his neighbour, Brian, being mistaken for the Messiah despite not wanting the attention. It took just over a year for the script to be completed, during which time EMI Films had been lined up to fund the project. However, just 2 days before filming was due to begin, the funding was withdrawn on direct orders of the company's chief executive. Faced with catastrophe, Idle confided in his friend, ex-Beatle George Harrison, who stepped in to save the film by providing £3 million. He did this through his production company Handmade Films, which was set up specifically to finance the film. Life of Brian went on to gross over $19 million in America alone during its first year of release. Claimed by its fans to be the greatest comedy film of all time, Life of Brian has nevertheless courted controversy ever since its release due to its satirical portrayal of religion that is interpreted by some as blasphemous.